Here I have DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by holding your finger on it, nothing happens. When you tap on this button once, recording starts. Okay, so this recording menu appears. Here you can switch your microphone. By tapping on this red button you can start recording. So as you can see now it's on. So you can also pause the recording by tapping on this red button here. And after that, you cannot pause it, you can just stop it. And after that it will be saved to gallery.
And you can start.
You can find it by going to Photos.
Recording, so as you can see.
Okay, can I go to Photos? Yeah. Here you can find it in this Movies section.
You can start recording.
And here is our recording.
So you can also pause the recording by tapping on this button. You can start.
So as you could hear, audio quality is not that great. You can share, edit, delete your recording from here, and perform other actions like this.
Then you can start recording.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.